So my blood parrots keep digging. So I put all of these rocks in here so they wouldn't dig and they'd have flat spots. I have them all throughout the tank, and they keep digging, and I really do not want them to dig up this substrate. I see you back there. What you doing? What you doing, babies? What are you doing digging up over here, huh? What are you doing over here? Who's doing this? Are you the culprit? I'm pretty sure it is a smaller one. You about to do it? Is it you? Oh, it's you.